All right. We are doing a volcano science experiment that the Diva Vivien got for Christmas this year. We needed baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and food coloring. It's supposed to be red food coloring, but it is right after Christmas, and the household is currently out of red food coloring. So, we need to put in the dish soap. Just put in a little bit. All right. Now, Vivian, you hold this. You tell them why you want to do the experiment while Mommy gets the measuring spoons.
I want to do this experiment because it is really cool to make it look like a real volcano isn't wetting. And that is really cool.
Okay, we'll just put in the blue food coloring.
We'll just put in the blue food coloring.
Now we need to add in.
Now we need to add in the baking soda.
Mommy is getting baking soda all over the side of the volcano. I'm sorry.
It doesn't look like a snowy one.
Okay.
Mommy.
Vivian, you're supposed to keep the volcano in the center. You're not a very good camera woman. All right. Now. Okay, Vivian. You ready?
Yes. In 3, 2, 1!
Mommy may have added these in the wrong order because they did not specify on the directions. But there you go. It's your volcano.
Yep, that is a volcano.
All right, here, you gonna pour some in there? You do it. All right, Vivian, you're going too fast for it to be able to touch the... Look, it's starting to turn blue.
Yep. Everybody, this is what happens with it.
Yeah.
It starts changing like how the food coloring you put in.
All right, Vivian, let's stop pouring. We're going to try to... Mama's going to pour it out. I'm going to try to do it a different way, okay?
Okay.
Let's pause. Okay, so we've rinsed out the volcano. What we're going to do, since it didn't tell us which way to add the ingredients, other than that we add the vinegar last, let's try putting the baking soda in under the other ingredients. What do you think, Vivian?
That might work for sure does.
That might work better?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Now, you want to pull the lid off of the food coloring. Be careful, don't squeeze it. Okay, you don't want me to do it? Because you're going to get blue food coloring all over yourself.
Now how many drops?
Okay, squeeze 2 drops in there. Alright, now we need to add a little bit of dishwashing liquid. Let Mama do that. The dishwashing liquid first, baby.
Oh.
Alright.
And now for the very last part.
Alright, let's pour the vinegar on and see what happens.
This time
Oh, yeah, it did it better, didn't it? And it came out blue. Are you going to tell them don't forget to be awesome?
Don't forget to be awesome.
And keep experimenting, everybody.
And keep experimenting, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Wave.